Hello, I'm Christina, incoming third-year college student at Benguet State University, taking Bachelor of Public Administration and Governance. I'm assigned here at Health Services Office, Admin Department.
As a public administration student, my only training ground to become a public servant is in school. But when I become part of special program for employment of student, which gave me the opportunity to serve the public in real-world setting, where I met amazing people that guide me to gain more knowledge and prepare myself to become better individual and future government employee. Being a SPES grantee does not only improve my intelligence, but give me more understanding in working tirelessly to create better future for everyone.
Hello, I'm Arlene May and I am incoming grade 12 student under the strand of Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics at Lisad Valley National High School, and I am assigned here at Health Services Office, Admin Department.
Before joining SPES, I didn't fully understand the extent of my potential in working because I knew I had a certain academic strengths, but I hadn't yet discovered how those skills translated into the workplace. I didn't realize how adaptable I could be when faced with new challenges or how well I could work under pressure. While I'm participating in SPES, I had a very crucial experiences that reshaped my understanding of myself and my own abilities. One significant realization was discovering my capacity for resilience. There were times when the workload was intense. However, through these challenges, I learned that I could push through and perform well under stress.
Hello, I'm Shalimar, incoming third-year student at Benguet State University. I'm taking Bachelor of Science in Nutrition and Dietetics. I'm assigned here at Health Services Office, Nutrition Department.
This work experience has helped me realize the significance of cultivating positive relationship not only with my fellow SPES grantees but also with my supervisor and other co-workers. Such connections can greatly enhance the work environment, making tasks more manageable and the experience more memorable. Additionally, this experience has broadened my perspective, particularly within my chosen field of nutrition. Even within the short duration of working at the Health Services Office, I have developed a sense of productivity, politeness, and responsibility. This experience will undoubtedly serve as a strong foundation for my future career.
Hello, I am Winona, incoming first-year student at Benguet State University, taking up Bachelor of Science in Biology, and I am assigned here at Health Services Office, Animal Bites and Treatment Center Department.
Working in a government office and being a SPES grantee is very fun. It taught me a lot of things and it helped me discover something about myself. As I work in a government office, I've come to realize that working in a government, you need to have a heart of serving people. And na-discover ko sa sarili ko na kaya ko palang magkaroon ng mahabang pasensya at kaya ko palang maging understanding sa mga tao sa paligid ko. And lahat ng natutunan ko sa government office, alam ko magagamit ko as a college student and sa future path na pinili ko.
I am Megan Sabado, an incoming first-year student at St. Louis University, taking Bachelor of Science in Architecture. I am assigned here at the Health Services Office, specifically in the Laboratory Office. Before joining SPES, I didn't realize the importance of eventually experiencing how different government employees work every day, and in turn, get a better idea on how we might even get to be one of them in the future. When we started working, one of those special experiences was the amount of work and dedication it took to go to work, adapt to your environment, and be productive in finishing the tasks that you need to accomplish. Accordingly, as a student, this experience really helped me better myself and also prepare myself not only for college, but also for future jobs I may encounter.
Good day, I am Blanche Nicole, incoming first-year college at Benguet State University, taking up Bachelor of Science in Environmental Science. I'm assigned here at the Health Services Office, City, Epidemiology and Surveillance Unit Department.
Before joining SPES, I may not have known or realized my ability to work. especially in a formal setting such as an office. Being a part of SPES, I learned new work skills such as basic computer skills, communicating with coworkers, and focusing on the details of tasks. I also experienced the importance of being responsible for tasks and fulfilling responsibilities. This experience at SPES brought about a great change in me as an individual and student. Because of this, I became more confident in my ability to work and get along with others. It also gave me a deeper understanding of the value of education and work, which pushed me to be more disciplined and determined in my life goals. SPES not only provides financial support but also contributes valuable lessons and experiences to development of students as responsible members of society and future workers.
I'm Jamie Margaret D. Sunga, incoming first-year student at University of Cordilleras, and I am assigned here at Health Services Office at the Supply Room. One thing I didn't know about myself or didn't realize before joining SPES is probably life is surely filled with hardships, and there won't be an easy way to make some money or rather an easier path in our life. An experience or realization I encounter while in SPES is each one of us has a different role in our lives, and not all of the people we encounter can be the same since we have different struggle or problems in our daily life. This SPES experience can help me by putting myself in their shoe and to be more understanding with every people.
I'm Jessica, a grade 12 student at Baguio City High School. I am assigned here at Health Services Office, Supply Division. When I first started working, I was clueless of what to expect and do. I realized that school setting was very different from working environment. I noticed the difference between working with your classmates and your co-workers, especially your bosses. I experienced a different level of formality and responsibility. In the future, I can use this experience to my advantage. Also, I believe that this is one of a kind memory.
Hi, I am Janica, an incoming grade 12 student on the track of Humanities and Social Sciences, and I am designated in the Health Services Office under the Population Office.
Sa aking pagtatrabaho, mas naintindihan ko ang aking sarili, kung saan may kakulangan ako sa kapasidad upang makipag-ugnayan sa aking mga naging kliyente. Ito na rin ang naging isang hamon ko upang isagawa ang aking pagtatrabaho, kung kaya't ito'y aking hinarap at patuloy kong tinulungan ang aking sarili upang magkaroon ng pagbabago. Nakatulong ito upang harapin ko ang bawat hamon ng may tatag at may determinasyon upang baguhin ang inyong mga pagkakamali.